Hi beautiful souls, welcome back to Fit Health with Dr. Dani. I'm Dr. Dani, your friendly doctor guide for real, achievable health that actually sticks. No extremes, no shame, no impossible goals. Just simple, science-backed steps to burn fat, boost energy, feel lighter in your body, and fall back in love with yourself, one doable day at a time. Stop scrolling, yes you. If you've been saying, I want to burn fat, feel lighter, have more energy, but I'm a total beginner, I hate jumping, I have no equipment, and I always quit after 2 minutes, this video is literally made for you. I'm Dr. Dani, and in the next 5 to 8 minutes we're gonna change that story together. No gym, no jumps, no fancy stuff, just simple, doable moves in your living room that quietly torch fat, wake up your metabolism, and make you feel proud instead of defeated. Thousands of beginners just like you finished this exact workout and said, I actually did it. Ready to be one of them? Grab water, stand up right now, and let's go in 3, 2, quick warm-up first, 3 minutes to get you loose and safe. Start marching in place, super easy, like walking with attitude. Knees up just a tiny bit, arms swinging. Breathe in, out, you're already starting to burn calories. 40 seconds, feel that? Now add forward arm circles, then backward, shoulders saying thank you. Side steps, step right, reach arms up, step left, reach down. Slow, controlled. You're waking up the whole body. Last, gentle side twists. Hands out or on hips, twist easy. Awesome, warm-up done. You're already winning. Main workout time, 40 seconds move plus 20 seconds march or rest. 8 moves, repeat circuit 3 times. Go at your pace, smaller steps, slower is fine. Modify equals smart, not weak. Move 1, march with knee lifts, keep them low if needed. Pump arms like power walking. Go. Feel your heart gently pumping, that's fat burn mode on. 20 seconds march easy, sip water, shake it out. Move 2, squats. Feet wide, sit back like a chair's there, stand squeezing your butt. Slow on the way down. Legs and core firing, yes. Rest. Move 3, standing knee to elbow. Right knee up to left side, twist gently, alternate. Slow crunches for that waist. You're sculpting. Rest. Move 4, wall push-ups. Hands on wall, lean in, push back strong. No wall. Push into air. Chest and arms waking up. Rest. Move 5, side leg lifts. Hold chair if wobbly. Lift leg out slow, squeeze side butt. Alternate. Hello toned hips. Rest. Move 6, punch punches. Straight ahead, alternate arms, little torso twist. Fast but safe, shoulders on fire, good fire. Rest. Move 7, calf raises. Up on toes, squeeze calves, down slow. Balance. Touch wall. Lower legs getting stronger. Rest. Move 8, slow bicycle crunches standing. Opposite knee plus elbow meet gently. Core saying hi. How do you feel? Sweaty? Stronger? Take 60 seconds rest, walk, breathe deep. You're crushing it. Round 2, same moves, same timing. Push a tiny bit more if you can, even 5% extra counts huge. Round 3, last one. Give it what you've got today, tomorrow you'll have more. You did it. As a beginner level, but real results. Fat burning, metabolism boost, confidence level up. Cool down, march slow, big deep breaths. In 4, hold, out 6. Reach arms high, side lean 20 seconds each side. Feel the stretch. Forward fold, bend at hips, arms hang, knees soft. Release tension. Chest opener, hands behind back, lift gently, open shoulders. You're amazing. Seriously, comment, I finished, below right now, I read everyone and I'll reply with a cheer. If this felt good, smash like, subscribe plus bell so you never miss the next beginner win. Do this 3 to 4 days a week, add protein after, drink water, results stack fast. You just proved you're capable of more than you thought. I'm proud of you. See you tomorrow. Take care, legend. You just did something amazing for your body and mind. Seriously, give yourself a huge high five. I'm so proud of you for showing up today. This is Fit Health with Dr. Dani, where health feels good, not punishing, and every small win counts. If you felt the energy, the sweat, the pride, drop a comment right now with, "I did it," or tell me how you feel. I read and reply to every single one. Hit that like button if this helped you, subscribe plus bell so you never miss the next beginner win, and share this with one friend who needs it. You're stronger than you think, and tomorrow we keep building. Take care of that beautiful body. See you in the next one. Love you, bye.